What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Today is going to be a very interesting video. I really don't have anything planned. I just decide to do a comparison between the 105 and the 70-200 G2 2.8 Tamron lens. I'm going to do a comparison video, kind of let you see the comparison between those two lenses. Today, we are shooting the lovely Michaela right here to the right of me. Yeah. She has been hot and popping on the scene here lately in Lexington, Kentucky, in our little small part of the world here. She's been really popular, doing a lot of good things. If you want to check her out and you want her to hire, well, you hit them DMs up on Instagram, which is going to be about right here, maybe up here, wherever the case may be. But anyway, we're going to do a little sit here. Like I said, we're at this very ruins of a mansion. It used to be a very huge mansion, burned down a couple years ago, but now we're here. We're going to do that's going to be a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do. It's going to be a surprise. You're going to watch the video. You're going to see it at the end. And until then, we'll see you at the end. Peace. You want to say anything? My fault. I didn't even get a chance to say anything. Do you want to say anything?
I'm good.
She doing good. All right. Peace.
I'm just
all right. now you made it to the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed that video. Today was actually really fun. We started pretty early in mid-afternoon. Now we're late at night. Well, not really technically at night, but it's pretty late. But we got some awesome photos. Michaela was freaking awesome today. As you can see, you made it this far. Like in this little catwalk, the photos was killer. I'm pretty sure you've seen it. You've seen the photos. These photos was dope. Now, if you want to work with her, you got to call me up first because I get a 10%. All right, so you call me first, and then I'll do the link. I'm a middleman at this point in time. I need 10% for putting it on, but I'm just joking. But if you really want to work with Michaela here, leave an Instagram about here. It's going to be in the description box. It's going to be up top somewhere. I really do a comparison video. I know I said in the beginning I was going to do a comparison video, but I just got out here, have fun. It was just going with it, man, and just did this whole purge type, boudoir type scenes. And Michaela, what do you got to say? You got to say anything? Come on here.
Follow me on Instagram. Literally.
That was so bland of an intro. She has to be the worst.
Gregory, okay?
She has to be by far, she's the worst one of these outros of all the models. That was the worst. That was just the worst. But follow her. Of course, you follow me. All the things will be on Instagram. And until the next video, I'll see you at the end. You got anything else you want to say?
No.
All right. Follow her. Just follow her. Okay. Peace out.